how to fix packet loss in Valorant. So if you want to fix packet loss in Valorant, then what you need to do is just watch this video. If you're experiencing packet loss while playing Valorant, then first you need to search for control panel and launch it. Once in the control panel, you need to click on network and internet option. Go to the network sharing center. And from there on the left side, you need to go and click on change adapter settings and locate the internet connection that you are using. Right click on it and then click on the properties option. Just click on that and then go with property. And here you will have this kind of interface. You just need to simply scroll down a bit and then you will find Internet Protocol version 4. Just click on it and then go with properties again. Or just look for Internet Protocol version 4 and Internet Protocol version 6. If Internet Protocol version 6 is enabled, you need to go and disable it. Then check for the option of Internet Protocol version 4. After making these changes, you need to click on OK, which will be on the bottom. Now just go with Internet Protocol version 4 and then go with properties. Select the option of use the following DNS server address, and then you need to input the preferred DNS server as 8.8.8.8, and then under alternate DNS server, you need to go with 8.8.4.4, and then click on OK and save your changes. But if it does not improve your connection speed, you can try running another DNS that is 1.1.1.1, and for the preferred DNS address. Now for the alternate, you can go with 1.0.0.0 for the alternate DNS. If the issue still persists, you can just simply go back and open up your command prompt, search for CMD, and then right click on it, go with run as administrator. Click on yes, and here you need to type in ipconfig space / DNS. After that, press enter to clear your DNS cache. After doing this, restart your PC and your problem might be fixed. But if packet loss is still not going or if it still occurs, then you can go with the Windows Defender Firewall. Try searching for a firewall and then click on Windows Defender Firewall and you'll get this kind of interface. I need to go with allow an app or feature. Then here you need to find Riot Client in the list. And if it's not there, you need to click on change settings, then allow another app, and then add clients.exe.file. If none of these steps resolve the issue, then you can just simply open up your settings and then head over to the option of network and internet. After that, select the advanced network option, and then you will have a network reset option. You can just simply go and reset your network, and after resetting your network, your problem might be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.